Assalamu alaikum to you all. I hope you all are feeling better than before. Today we are discussing about at preposition with examples with do an activity. Okay. So first of all, at used for time, location and age. What? Time, location and age. First of all, we will discuss about time. So start making examples. I'm making first. Okay, so first my example is I wake up usually means aksar. I wake up usually at 5 a.m. What? 5 a.m. So the second example is uh, I will go to the center at 2 p.m. I'll go to the center at 2 p.m. I will go to the center at 2 p.m. The third example is I will perform down prayer at 5:50. I will perform down prayer at 5:50. And now we are making location video, location examples. Okay, so location is for example, first my example is uh, my brother was coming at Sadar. My brother was coming at Sadar and I went there and meet him meet him. So what was the example? My brother was coming at Sadar. My brother was coming at Sadar, so I went there and meet him. I went there and meet him. I went there and meet him. So that third example of location means second example of location is so start making your own examples and write a comment, write down in comment. I have done make I have done I have done making sentences. Okay, so the third use of at is age. Age. What? Age. So let me make first examples. So for my first example is of age example is I will start my business at the age of 25. And I'm making my video at the age of 17. Now I'm 18 years. And how old are you? Write down in comment. Okay, write down in comment. So the third example of age is I'll join German language means I will learn German language at the age of 19. I will learn German language at the age of 19. Okay, so now we will do an activity of some examples and at preposition. Okay, so you know what's the reason behind why am I doing one preposition? I wanna to you say that I make video slowly and properly so that I can speak and you also. Okay, so let's do an activity. So I have got the exam questions of an activity of at preposition. Okay, so the first question is what time do you usually have lunch? What time do you usually have lunch? My example is I usually have lunch at 2:30 o'clock. And what's your example? Write down in comment box. Okay, and write done. What? Done. So the second question is, where do you spend most of your weekends? What? What's the question? What was the question? Where do you spend most of your weekends? Where do you spend most of your weekends? I spend most of my weekends at I think so. No, it's not a question of at preposition. I was making a mistake. So move on the second question. Okay, at what age did you start going to school? At what age did you start to going school? At what age did you start going to school? I wanna you to start speaking with me. Okay, thus I'm repeating the question. At what age did you start going to school? um, my answer is I start going to school at the age of 4 years. 4 years. I start going to school at the age of 4 years. Don't So I hope you are getting my all points. So don't forget to subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for more informative like that videos. Okay, Allah Hafiz, take care.